How to fix iPhone camera freezing and not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and force quit the camera app along with all the apps running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double click on the home button. Now, find the camera app and swipe it up and reopen the app. This works about 50% of the time. The next fix is to force restart your iPhone. So to force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Go ahead and free up space if it is below 2 GB. Also delete the files, media, and apps that are no longer in use. The next fix is open Instagram, Snapchat, or any other third-party app that uses the camera and check if the issue is just the camera app or your device's camera entirely. Also, in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on voiceover and go ahead and turn off the toggle button for voice over. Relaunch the app and see if the camera is working or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Sometimes Apple quietly fixes touchscreen bugs and patches, and if the issue is still not fixed, reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in General again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. So, this is how you can fix iPhone camera freezing and not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.